Hello and welcome to a University of Alberta Library tutorial. The goal of this tutorial is to show you how to find market returns using the CRSP Center for Research of Security Prices database, which we will access from the WDRS, which is Wharton Research Data Services. This is what you'll see once you get to this database. To connect to Words, you must enter your ualberta.ca email address in the empty field and then click on CAPTCHA and press Submit. You will then receive a link in your email to access Words for the day. Click on the link to log in. Now that we are logged into Words, scroll down to the current subscriptions list and click on CRSP. From the annual updates list on the left, click on Stock Security Files. Choose Stock Market Indexes. And note, this search not only covers New York Stock Exchange, Amex, NASDAQ, and ARCA, it also covers the S&P Composite Index as well. To begin, you will need to choose either monthly or daily data. And in this example, we'll just choose monthly, so we'll leave it as is. You must also choose your date range, which again, we won't change it. We'll just leave it as is for the purposes of this example. Let's scroll down to step 2. This is where you'll choose your query variables. From the list, choose Return on S&P Composite Index. And also the conditional statements, just leave it as is. And let's go to step 3. Select Query Output. And we'll choose to get our output as an Excel spreadsheet. Now we submit the query. Depending on the size of the file, it can take some time to get the results. When the data results summary appears, click on the output file name. When it's ready, click on it to open, and now you can view the results of your search. Thank you for watching this tutorial. For questions, contact us at library.ualberta.ca/ask us.